Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. So in today's video, we'll talk about how you can create a listing on PropHunt.ai using our website. So after logging into your account, you will be able to see all your listings, requirements, posts that you have created. Also, you can keep a track on your sold out or closed requirements right here in your dashboard. So in your dashboard at the bottom, you can see two options prompting you to post a new listing or post a new requirement. So in case you have some supply and you want to sell it or rent it, you will be posting a listing ad. If in case you want to take a property on rent or buy it, then you can specify your requirement by creating a requirement ad. So now let's click on property listing. So now a new form will open up. Here you have to specify what kind of listing you have. So far, in this instance, we want to rent out our property. So we will select the rent option. Then we will select the type of property. So we will select flat. So now if your property is a part of a gated project, then you can type in the project names for better matches. For example, my flat is in Nico Homes. So I will type that as the project name. So now specify the expected rent for your property. We can use this slider to set the rent amount or enter the number directly below in the expected price text field. In our case, we will specify 65,000 as the expected rent. You can also specify if the amount is negotiable, which in our case it is. So let's tick the box. Let's move to the next field. So which is security deposit. So now likewise, you can use the slider to specify the security deposit. So we will enter it as 2.15 lakhs. Once this is done, click on next for more property details. So now coming to the most important factor, we have to specify the location. So remember that the location is the most important factor that can get you relevant matches. If you have correctly mentioned the location of your listing, PropHunt.ai will give you better matches. So rather than specifying something generic as your city, as Bangalore, try to give an accurate location. So in our case, we will enter Nico Homes and select the first map suggestion we get. So if you want to add more details, you can do so by following the text fields. Sometimes you may notice that the text button is inactive during this step. So make sure to enter the right pin code. If it is not auto-filled, click next. So now specify the total rooms in your property. So in our case, we have a 3 BHK semi-furnished flat. So we select those options. We will specify the number of bathrooms as 2 and 1 balcony. So let's move to the next step. So let's specify the built-up area and the carpet area of our property. So we will enter 1600 square feet as our area. Then we will have to provide the monthly maintenance amount if it's applicable. So in this case, the monthly maintenance amount is 5,000 rupees. Now we can also specify if there's any brokerage. If not, you can choose not to specify it. Similarly, you can specify if you want to contact property agents for your listings or not. If you set it to no, then it is equivalent of saying the agent is blocked. Finally, we go to the last form page by clicking next. In this page, you can also select amenities. So let's click show all buttons to see all available options. In our case, we will select all the standard amenities. You can also specify any restrictions if you want, such as veg only, family only, etc. There are also more optional fields, so feel free to explore. You can provide any additional description for your listing in this text area. So I'm going to enter that this is a semi-furnished apartment for rent in Nico Homes, and so on. You can be as descriptive as you want to be here. So once this is done, finally, add your listings images to provide a better idea of your property to your prospects. To add images, simply click on the Add Images button. Select the medium from where you want to upload. So we will select the photo library. In case of an Android, you can open your gallery or open camera to take new pictures. So here we will select some pictures and click Add. Finally, we will click the Post Listing button to post this listing on PropHunt.ai. You can see our listing for Nico Homes is successfully posted on PropHunt.ai. So this is the post that we have created. You can see that it is titled as flat or apartment for rent in Eco Homes at 65,000. You can scroll down and see more details about your listing. You can even see the location of your listing on Google Maps. Remember, the final section in this page is the matches section. You will be able to see matches for your listing as soon as we find them for you, which is usually within few minutes. To share your listing, scroll back up to the page. Click on the share button. Now you can see the pop-up with the QR code. You can share this QR code with people where they can scan it and they will be sent to this listing page. Also, you can click on any social media button to directly share your ad on the platform, or you can click the copy link button to share the link of your listing. So I hope this video was informative. Thank you.